Hi, this is Pragati. In this video, we will talk about the sterilization of Indian rupee. But before we dive deeper into the concept, please like, share and press the bell icon below. So imagine this. Foreign investors are pouring money into our markets. While it's great for the economy, it comes with a twist. This influx of foreign capital can lead to the appreciation of the Indian rupee. Now, a stronger rupee might sound like a good thing, but it can have some not so great consequences. Now, when the rupee appreciates, our exports become more expensive for other countries. Imagine selling your Indian spices abroad, but now at a higher price because the rupee is stronger. It's a tough sell, literally. This can hurt our export competitiveness and affect various industries. Now, try and understand this concept a little bit more carefully. Sterilization is the process by which the central bank manages the impact of foreign capital inflows on the exchange rate. Basically managing the volatility in the exchange rate. Now here's how it works. When foreign funds flood in, the central bank buys up these foreign currencies, increasing their reserves. Now to prevent an influx of rupees into the system, they issue government securities. These securities soak up the excess rupees, essentially sterilizing the impact of foreign inflows. I'll try to break it down with a real life example. So in the mid-2000s, India experienced a surge in foreign capital due to not so favorable global economic conditions and rather lucrative domestic economic scenario. Do you recall the shining period? Now to prevent the rupee from getting too strong and hurting exports, RBI engaged in sterilization. They brought in foreign currencies and simultaneously sold government securities to maintain that equilibrium. But now why go through all this trouble? Well, it's a very delicate balance between curbing the demand for rupees to combat inflation and preventing the rupee from getting too strong to preserve export competitiveness. Now try and picture this. If the rupee appreciates significantly, it might lead to cheaper imports, potentially fueling inflation. So the central bank sterilizes to maintain a balance, curbing the demand for rupees to manage inflation while also preventing the rupee from becoming too strong and jeopardizing our exports. Thank you. See you soon in the next video.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.